Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw on Instagram messages. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open Instagram and log into your account, and then you gotta click on the direct messages option right over here. Once you do so, you gotta open any chat of your friend. For example, I'm gonna open this chat, and then you'll be able to see an icon at the bottom right that is the plus icon. Click on it and you'll be able to see numerous options. So you're going to click on draw and then click on try it. And now you can select which pen you want. For example, I'm going to like this sparkly one, and then you're going to choose the color. Let's choose this one and simply draw anywhere on the screen you want. You can change it to, let's say, this one and change the color too. And you can change it the way you want. If you wish to erase it, you can click on this icon and then you can simply erase it as well. And after that, you can click on this icon. And now you can see that it is sent. So when you go to the other account, they'll see something like this. And that is how you can draw on Instagram messages. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.